Hey accounts receivable experts! Are you tired of your forecasts constantly being out of date because you have to manually update every payment change? Do you want more time, efficiency, and job satisfaction? There's never been a better time to take your finance team to the next level. Introducing Tesorio's AR Forecast. With accounts receivable forecasting, you have all the real-time automation you need to forecast and report with confidence. Manual forecasting is now a thing of the past. Start your day with a real-time outlook that compares collection actuals to forecast and internal goals, so you know exactly where you stand. To better understand what's driving your forecast, you can easily drill into the invoice details so you're prepared for those questions from the CFO you know are coming. These views enable you and your team to become much more strategic about where you and your team apply your time and make it easy to identify those potential problem accounts that could cause you to miss your forecast. Are you ready to start forecasting? Learn more.